The monsoon season is here. India is witnessing a heavy rainfall, especially in the northern part of the country. If you are in Delhi, you might be having a tough time commuting because metros are hit, there is a traffic jam everywhere and roads are underwater. After hitting a 60-year high, the water level of Yamuna river in Delhi continued to rise today. Hello and welcome, I am Pallavi Sharma and you are watching Money Wise with ET Now. Delhi is flooding. Videos of floods and landslides are coming from across the country, especially from the northern part of India. But what you can do is to secure yourself during heavy rains and monsoon season. Well, you can insure yourself and your vehicle from damage. And let me tell you how. Let's talk about how to insure yourself first. During heavy rains, diseases like dengue, malaria, typhoid and much more spread. So what you need to do is to pick the right health insurance policy this monsoon. First is to choose a comprehensive policy with high sums insured. You need to select an adequate sum taking note of the rising medical costs. It depends on your age, your household size, pre-existing conditions within your family and much more. If you are in the early phase of your life like the 20s or 30s, a minimum health cover of rupees 3 lakh is needed. Second is to check whether the features of the product and the plan is for you before taking the policy. Any basic policy should cover your hospitalization costs, surgical and medical expenses, surgeon's fee, your consultation charges or the OT charges and much more. Also look for products with flexibility to customize the amount that is covered and your requirements and your family history. Third is to choose a plan with extensive coverage. Compare the waiting period of the policies and opt for the one with the minimum waiting period. There are policies with no sublimits but with higher premiums, and there are policies with sublimits. You should know your budget and also know that the policies that come with sublimits also have minimum coverage. Fourth is to do the most important thing. It is to choose the insurer with a good track record of settling claims. Select an insurer that has a good network of hospitals and a good track record of settlement. It is very important for you to have a minimum comprehensive health insurance cover and supplement this with any disease specific covers that are available in the market right now. Coming to how to calculate how much health insurance do you actually need. The golden rule is to get a policy that covers at least 50% of your income. However, it is advised to have a minimum of 5 lakh cover due to the raising healthcare expenses. If you are in your 20s or 30s, then you can opt for something above rupees 3 lakhs. If you have a family plan for 2 adults and 2 children, a minimum of rupees 10 lakhs should be opted. It is recommended not to add senior citizens in a family plan. Buy it separately for them according to their needs. Let's now talk about your car insurance or motor insurance. Well, you might already have a motor insurance, but these add-ons will help you safeguard your vehicles, especially during the monsoon season. First is the engine protection cover. It will help your vehicle, which is a low guard clearance with water ingress problem. This will cover the cost of repairing or replacing your engine parts. Now, second is the roadside assistance cover that can help you covering the emergency support during any emergency problem on the roadside, including services and towing. Third is consumables cover, which will cover your consumable items like screws, engines, gearbox, etc. with damage due to rains and floods. Fourth is the outstation emergency cover. If your car breaks down 100 kilometers away from your residence, then this will come to your aid and help you provide a roadside assistance support. Fifth is the return to invoice cover, which will compensate for the amount mentioned in your car's invoice or bill, which includes the taxes and registration charges. Sixth is the zero depreciation cover, which will bypass the depreciation factor that the standard insurers take in account and give you full compensation for the repair and the bills. Now, so if you need to stay safe and secure this monsoon season, then get a good health insurance and a vehicle insurance. And don't forget to subscribe to ET Now's YouTube channel.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.